Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in Williamston, South Carolina, the premier used RV dealership in the Southeast. Today we're showcasing a 2016 Fleetwood Discovery 40G, a verified CARFAX one-owner RV with an incredibly low 6,300 miles. Priced at just $139,900, this 41-foot diesel pusher is packed with features, including a bunkhouse and sleeping for up to 8. Perfect for family trips. Let's start outside and explore what makes this RV ready to hit the road. Let's begin with that super low mileage, just 6,300. For a coach this age, that's practically unheard of, giving you a nearly pristine, barely used RV with years of adventures ahead. It's built on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with full air brakes, full air ride suspension, and 6 brand new updated tires all around. That means you're getting durability and peace of mind straight from the dealership. This RV is powered by an impressive 380 horsepower Cummins ISL9 diesel engine, delivering 1,150 foot-pounds of torque through a smooth shifting Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission. It's equipped with an Onan 8.0 quiet diesel generator for reliable off-grid power, ideal for remote camping. The exterior stands out with a full-body paint job, featuring the sleek Times Square graphics package, sure to turn heads at any campground or rolling down the highway. With 3 roof AC units, you're sure to keep cool inside. And with 50 amp service plus a Magnum inverter charger, this RV is built for comfort and reliability. Wherever you go, whether plugged up with the extension cord on a power reel or by using the Onan diesel generator. And those 6,300 miles mean this coach's powertrain is practically like new. Check out the storage. A full pass-through basement compartment with a slide-out tray for easy access to your gear. There's an exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV, speakers, and stereo for outdoor fun. You also get power patio and door awnings, plus slide toppers to keep everything tidy and dry. Fully automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls make setup simple, and the rear and side view camera system ensures safe driving as you float down the interstate in style. Next, we'll head inside to check out the RV's interior amenities. Now let's step inside to explore what makes the 2016 Fleetwood Discovery 40OG a true home on wheels. This 41-foot diesel pusher, with only 6,300 miles, offers a spacious and luxurious interior that's perfect for family adventures. The 40OG floor plan comfortably sleeps up to 8, with a standout feature, the bunkhouse, designed specifically for families looking to make every road trip memorable. The bunkhouse is a game changer for family travel. Located in the rear, it features twin bunk beds, each equipped with its own flip-down television, ideal for keeping kids entertained during long journeys or quiet evenings at the campsite. This dedicated space ensures everyone has their own cozy spot, making the Discovery 40OG a top choice for families who want comfort and convenience without sacrificing togetherness. The bunkhouse setup transforms road trips into fun, stress-free experiences for parents and kids alike. The interior is opened up by two massive slide-outs, creating a roomy and inviting living space. The master bedroom is a luxurious retreat, featuring a comfortable king bed for restful nights, a 32-inch television for entertainment, a spacious wardrobe closet for all your clothing, and ample drawer storage for personal items. Up front, the living area is equally impressive, designed for relaxation and socializing. It includes a U-shaped dinette that easily converts into additional sleeping space for guests, a pull-out sleeper sofa for extra comfort, a large 42-inch television for movie nights, and another 32-inch television mounted above the front seats for easy viewing from multiple angles. The kitchen is built for convenience and functionality, making meal preparation a breeze no matter where you are. It's equipped with a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer to keep your groceries fresh, a rare dishwasher option for effortless cleanup, a gas stovetop for versatile cooking, a microwave convection oven for quick meals, and a stylish residential sink with a modern faucet. The private bathroom is equally well appointed, featuring a spacious shower with elegant glass doors, a skylight for natural light, a toilet, a vanity with a sink, and a power vent fan for ventilation. Beautiful tile flooring runs through the living area and bathroom, adding a touch of sophistication while being easy to clean and maintain. Practicality is key in this RV, with thoughtful features to enhance your travel experience. A Dirt Devil central vacuum system makes quick cleanup simple, keeping the interior pristine with minimal effort. A stackable washer and dryer are included, allowing you to handle laundry on the go, whether you're on a week-long trip or an extended cross-country adventure. The 2016 Fleetwood Discovery 40G is a rare find, blending ultra-low 6,300 miles with a family-friendly bunkhouse and a host of premium features. From its powerful Cummins diesel engine and Freightliner chassis, to its spacious interior with a king bed, bunkhouse, and modern kitchen, this RV is designed for comfort, reliability, and unforgettable family adventures. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country journey, this one-owner coach, priced at $139,900, is ready to make your travels extraordinary. Interested in making this RV yours? Contact us at Porter's RV Sales by calling 864-260-9276, emailing sales@portersrvsales.com, or visiting our website at www.portersrvsales.com for more details. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to helping you hit the open road in style.